Today we're in a abandoned, well, not abandoned, I don't think I actually don't really know, but we're in a train. Just looking inside to be curious. It's cool. Just gotta get down. So Mike's on the other side. Let's go on this one. I don't think anybody is here. If anybody's home, if anybody's here, say hello. This is nice. Yeah, this one has to be abandoned. Well, it looks pretty nice, but who forgets to lock a train? Like, seriously, come on. Oh shit, I almost fell. Shit's cool. Fuck, somebody's flying a drone? Yeah, I think that shit is going somewhere far. Yeah, it's going way out of reach, so it's going way out of reach. I can't go over there. We'll go over and see what the fuck was going on about that shit, but it's out of fucking reach for me to go. Guys, that was my first time getting on a train. Even though I wish that I would have been able to go somewhere on it. Not by myself, of course, but with... This shit looks pretty abandoned. I'll have to go read the sign. Notice, you are at... Alright, first, we're gonna check out this building over here. This little place like right here. Like, unfortunately, the door's locked. There's a bird in here. And we have to go. There's a guy here. He's just pulled in. We have to get out of here. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, please. Alright, good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Let's get the fuck out of here. Yeah. I wanna go this way. Oh shit! Come the fuck on. Damn. There's like a piercing noise in my ears. And it hurts. I want to go behind there, but let's go this way. Said some shit about radiation. Oh, there's a bike tire in there. This is really sketchy. Whoa. This is really sketchy. Holy fuck. There are literally rats here, bro. Like, ew, what the fuck? I'm gonna get a little closer. This shit is nasty. Yeah, fuck it. Just gonna go slowly, like the thing says. Ew. I hope I got that shit over here. Literally a rat right there. Oh shit. Literally a rat right there. Well, we're gonna go. What the hell is this stuff? The fuck off me. This is a hell no, guys. I'm out of here. Before I get fucking hurt. Bit some shit like that. I'm fucking out of here. Oh shit, I just ran over a whole bunch of metal. Yeah, I'm fucking out of here. I don't know what the fuck was going on over here. Worst security guard ever. Like, oh my god. There's actually somebody in there. Oh my god. Worst security guard ever. Worst. Wow. Bro, that shit, there was literally fucking rats. Damn. And that shit's right behind a place where they make cribs. Come on. This shit flying around it. When I say that shit was dirty, bro, that shit was dirty. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Squidward. I said Squidward. Oh, I gotta fucking... Look at the bunny. It's okay, little guy. He's going this way, bro. Chill. Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog there. We're gonna end the day here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications.